Hello, I'm Sophie D'Souza and welcome to my channel, Sophie Stained Glass. Tips and tricks for the highs and lows, the peaks and troughs of working with architectural glass. If you've seen my videos before, thank you for watching, but basically you'll know I'm predominantly a leaded glass maker. Today's video is about tinning a piece of copper wire. Not something that we do that much in leaded glass, but maybe the copper foilers out there might be interested. I know a lot of my American viewers, hello across the pond, are copper foilers. You may know this already. But anyway, I like to just put everything up for every level, you know, entry level, professional, and you can take from it what you will. So thank you for watching. So here we have our copper wire, which is copper coloured. This section is bright solder coloured because I have tinned it. So this is what you should do if you want to change your copper wire to tinned wire. And you might want to do this because you might want to put patina on it so that you can affect its colour. So you probably know that if you put patina on solder, you can change it to actually a real variety of colours. So this is how you do it. There we are. Simple as that. And as you can see, I've kept it on the spool because that holds it above my, well actually I'm doing it above kiln paper. And then you can turn it over. A little bit more flux, won't hurt. And there it is. And I just wanted to show you, oop, there's a little splodge, I didn't mean to splodge that. You can, although I just managed to knock it off, put a little decorative end on. Let's say you're doing a little insect antenna or something. So you can do that. I mean, that's not a very neat one. I had done a neat one, but then I knocked it off by heating it up by mistake. But there we go. Just let it cool. I get ever so impatient and I take things away before I should. Now I'm just going to tidy up the other side of my little blob. There. There we have a little blob. I mean, it ended up a bit heavy-handed because I ended up with more solder on it than I meant to because I knocked it off and had to go back. But it gives you the idea. And yeah, I just thought it might be useful to you all to know that that's an option for you. All the copper foilers out there, well, you already know this really, don't you? But it might be interesting to people who work with lead. Yeah, I think I might make a little decorative flower and use this as a stamen. So there we have it, how to tin a piece of wire. Yes, I hope that was interesting to you. Check out my other videos, there are quite a few. Prize to anybody who watches them all. And please like, comment and subscribe. And if you hit the bell button, you'll be notified every time I put up one of my amazing videos. Yes, so thank you.